Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some of my favorite healthy salad recipes. But first, if you find these recipes helpful, will you do me a huge favor and click subscribe? It really helps my channel grow. Alright, let's get started. One question I often get is, can people with diabetes even eat salad? The answer may surprise you. Salads are actually one of the best options for keeping blood sugar stable, as long as you choose the right ingredients. I'll be sharing 3 delicious salads today that are not only tasty, but also diabetes-friendly. For our first recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a Mediterranean quinoa salad. Now, quinoa is a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This helps keep you feeling full for hours after eating. I like to mix quinoa with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. Then I dress it with a fresh lemon vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and low glycemic vegetables makes this salad perfect for blood sugar control. Next up is an updated version of a classic, chicken Caesar salad. Instead of croutons, I use slivered almonds to add crunch. They're a much healthier carb alternative. I also make my own low-fat Caesar dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. Feel free to top it with grilled or baked chicken breast for extra protein. The protein and healthy fats in this salad help slow the release of glucose into your bloodstream after eating. For our third recipe, I'm sharing my all-time favorite taco salad. Ground turkey or beef is mixed with taco seasoning for flavor. Then I serve it on a bed of romaine lettuce with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and avocado. For the dressing, I mix a dollop of low-fat Greek yogurt with taco sauce for a tangy kick. The fiber, protein, and healthy fats in this salad make it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. Be sure to let me know in the comments which one you plan to try first. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new healthy recipes and diabetes tips every week. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something new and found some delicious new salad ideas.